Hello, this is Mike here at Sound Investment in Columbus, Ohio. I want to talk to you today about this special project. This is a 77 Caprice Classic. It's owned by a good friend of mine. We've taken care of a couple of vehicles for him. This one has big wheels on it, just like the rest of his rides. He loves his big wheels. So this car we have taken from a car that was built a long time ago to modernize it substantially. So I'm going to sort of pull you around here. I'm going to start in the trunk on this car. In the trunk of this car, we did our flat panel work in here. We added a backlit Caprice Classic logo in mirrored plexiglass. The center section gives us a storage bay, which gives him a place. In this case, it's got his battery charger. I did a two-tone panel, so depending on how he feels for the day, he can put it in red or gray. This car has an 8-channel amplifier, a 4-channel amplifier, and a 1-channel amplifier in it. So lots of amplifiers that are hidden behind the panel, as well as the subwoofers. So at this point, we're going to swap sides around over here. I'm going to show you this rear deck, give you a little bit of an idea here. We've got the Kicker ST square mid-ranges and tweeters in here. These 9-inch drivers are incredibly loud. They do a really punchy mid-bass sound, quite amazing sounding. The 410s are behind the seat in a free air configuration, which allows us the amount of trunk space and amplifier rack space that we have. Inside the car, we've upgraded this car to a bucket seat configuration. These seats came out of a Sonoma pickup truck. I had Kemper recover the seats. We did a special sort of angle approach, front and rear. Side panels are also done. Everything to match as far as the interior is concerned. I built a center console for this car. The center console gives you the ability to hide your cup holder if you so desire, or if you want to hide your phone away, you certainly can do that. In the dashboard, we've got the Sony ES9000 radio. This is Sony's top-of-the-line double-din radio. It will give you wireless Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. This radio also does a little bit of time alignment, does a little bit of the crossover work that I've got going on to control the amplifiers. In the front of the car, we have the Kicker ST 7-inch mid-ranges with the tweeters to go with those. These, I built my sort of standard grills. They are flush mounted in. They have a steel mesh in the backside. So even if you were to kick this, you're not going to damage the speaker. I make them removable so that when you go to the shows, you can show off your speakers. This car has an underbody LED kit inside. I'm going to show you a little bit here. You kind of see the glow coming out from underneath the car. We've got that glow set up in such a way that when you hit the brake lights, it lights up red. When you hit the reverse lights, it lights up white in the rear. The turn signals also work. This is a chasing underbody kit that we can put on just about any vehicle as well. So if you're in need of someone to babysit your custom project and you have a dream that you would like fulfilled, give us a call over here at Sound Investment. I would be glad to take care of your project. Thank you and have a nice day.